Today we're serving Loredana and orazio, pea soup with the potato and zucchini, and I made a hot sauce with a little bit of ham. And what do you think, Loredana? Is it
Molto buono.
molto buono?
Molto.
Really? Orazio.
Buonissima.
Yeah?
And with the hot sauce,
Perfect.
fantastico.
Yeah.
Awesome.
How do you like the little ham on? Ham works good, no? In the soup.
That's a side.
Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. And
Beautiful touch.
a little spumante brut.
Fresh peas, fresh potatoes, fresh everything, fresh zucchini, soup.
Well, this morning, which is Saturday morning, we're going down to Maurizio and Loredana's for a little pasta at noon. But I'm making also to take along to go down, and I'm making a pea, potato and zucchini with a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, salt, pepper, and soup. And I start off with the pan, a little bit of oil, a little bit of red pepper, a little salt, a little black pepper. I'm going to put the garlic in first and the onions and saute them a little bit. Then in goes the potatoes, and the peas and the zucchini go in at the end. I think that's going to be pretty neat here. My kitchen definitely is not big, and that's totally okay with me. I make this work all the time. Ciao. Well, the garlic and the onions, little red pepper, black pepper, and salt are in there. And at this point, you do not want to burn any of this because it just is going to make everything taste terrible. So you got to be really careful. Just going to pour in a little bit of water into the pot. Not too much, so now you can get these ingredients going just all. Yeah, in go the potatoes. Look at that. And they, of course, they take the longest, but oh, it's going to be so good. Yes, perfecto. Potatoes are coming to a nice little boil. It'll go for about another 15-20 minutes. And then I have the peas are going to go in next. And then the last is the zucchini. Potatoes are looking really good. And in goes more water, a little bit more water. I'll add more water later, but this way, I always think if you don't add it all at once, then, I don't know, it's just my quirky way of doing things. Probably won't use them all, but they sure look good. Oh my God. What the hell. Look at this beautiful, beautiful little kitchen. And Joan is over there viewing what I've done, just to make sure that it's looking good.
Making the recipe.
Yes. The potatoes went in for about 10 minutes first. Okay, see them? Here. Then I put the peas in after that. Okay. And now at the very end, I put the zucchini in. This is going to come to a boil. Okay. But it's going to be, I think it's going to be perfect. So now, just to taste the broth and stuff. Here.
Good.
The peas are still al dente. It's going to be perfect.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
So it's not going to turn into mush.
No.
Ciao.
Ciao.
At the end, she's done. She's going to just simmer in here. And the zucchini is just done. Well, you don't really need it. But we're going to add a little bit of mother, and that has to do with the digestive juices as Antibiotic? No, biotics?
Probiotics.
Probiotics,
It's got
okay.
probiotics in the mother, and it helps for the
Yeah.
digestion
And look at this. You don't
and
need
the microbiome.
You don't need a lot. Maybe a tablespoon. That's it. Just add it in here like this. But you don't boil it after that. You just let it simmer. No, don't simmer it. You just let it
No,
cook
don't,
in its
don't
own
cook it.
juices, like
Yeah.
where it's hot enough, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Very good for the stomach digestion.
I think so. It should be good, don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh, ciao. Some grande oil.
Oh, you get a
fun
special.
yesterday, yeah?
What's
Make
that?
it special.
Yesterday was fun.
Every day is fun.
Every day.
Every day is fun.
Can you open up the spumante?
Ah.
Maurizio's waiting.
Orazio, can you open the spumante? This is spumante from your friend behind the fish market. Your friend with the sore leg
Da Doruccio,
and his wife.
Murgo,
Oh, Doruccio.
And his wife,
Anna Maria.
Anna Maria. So you film. We're gonna
That's
have
why
this-
you bought it?
Yes, yes. Orazio,
Troppo botto.
Orazio, it went off the ceiling, hit me
No,
right.
no.
Orazio, hit me right in the head. Boom. That's the head.
Did it?
Yes, it did. Johnny.
Oh, my friend Doruccio di in riposto
Yes.
for
Ari.
Ali.
Ah.
Very nice.
Spumante?
Spumante.
Spumante Brut, Murgo, Sicilian.
Sicilian, yes.
Sicilian.
Murgo
Okay.
è
Yes. Sicilian Spumante.
alla salute
Okay.
di tutti.
And you are plating
I'm plating-
a bowl of
Yes.
soup.
Yes.
To everybody health.
Yes. You're gonna plate this first?
All
No.
right. Can you put something in there?
Yes, can you taste first? Don't
No, that's
I
too
want you to
hot.
taste
Oh,
first.
straight?
taste.
No, no.
Taste.
Adesso la bruci tutto.
Medium,
Good.
yes? Oh, now it comes in.
Now it's
Can I
hot.
put it?
Sì,
Yes,
sì.
eh?
Ma Orazio vai attento perché
No, è buonissima.
per il
Lori.
sangue.
And then, that's
Orazio.
Buonissima.
Yeah?
And with the hot sauce,
Perfect.
fantastico.
Yeah.
Awesome.
How do you like the little ham on? Ham works good, no? In the soup.
That's a side.
Yeah, yeah. And
Beautiful touch.
and a little spumante brut. Ah. Okay. And bread, little cheese. Oh,
Just right.
oh,
Evviva l'amicizia.
perfecto.
My friend.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
We need